Good morning. My name is Karen Kashaz.
My name is Muziki Raz
And we are from
from
ICSC.
ICSC.
And we're going to perform the What Could Have Happened.
Wow! Look at this place. It's awesome. What is this place? Wait, is this heaven?
No, this is the What Could Have Happened.
Whoa. Who are you? What? Wait. Were you standing behind me? Wait, are you some sort of stalker?
No, my friend. Harmony.
An angel? You don't look like an angel to me.
Contrary to popular belief, not all angels are cute, fat, and naked ladies.
Okay, if you say so. So, how does this thing work?
Okay, well. Alright, so you see that screen there? That will be the What Could Have Happened screen.
Okay,
And you see those buttons over there?
sure.
Those are the What Could Have Happened.
I love buttons. Can I press one of
Oh,
them?
you have. Now hold this. You have to listen to this. Now, whatever happens, if you try to push one of those buttons, a scene from your life appears on that screen. Then we get to see what would have happened if you have made a different choice from what you actually did.
Oh, okay. So you're saying if I press these buttons right here, I will be up there in that screen.
Absolutely. Tama.
So what?
Oh, nothing. You can go ahead and press any buttons you want.
Okay, I will press the red button.
Okay. Well, I can see that you're with your little friends.
Those are my three bestest friends.
Okay. And standing beside us, what's going on?
See, my friends, they tried to tell me to steal.
What? You stole the car?
No, I said no. I was a good person.
Okay. Let's see what could have happened if you have stolen the car. Alright, obviously you don't have the key to the car. So the first thing you're gonna do is break the window.
Okay, break the window. That's exactly what I would do.
Now you have to hot car.
Hot wiring car.
Go, go, go!
Yeah, I'm driving.
First gear!
First gear.
Second gear!
Second gear.
Third gear!
Third gear. I'm flying. Whoa.
Hurry up, wait, you're too fast!
Oh, what did
You missed the side!
What side? What side?
The sun says bridge
The bridge is down. What do you mean the bridge is down? The brake's not working. I'm gonna fall. Ah! Ah! Oh no. This is terrible. My arms. These are my legs. And then is this my brain? I thought there would be more.
Wait, stop crying, calm down! This may not really happen. This is what would have happened. Stop crying!
So, no arms,
No arms.
no legs,
No legs.
and no brain.
Definitely no brain.
Okay, that was cool, I think. So, can I do it again? I will press the green button. So, I will press the red button. Again.
I can see that you're with your three friends again.
Yeah, those are, as I said, my three bestest friends.
Yeah, and who's this guy walking behind you?
Oh, that's just Pedro. He's this crackhead guy in our school. Well, there's this one time he tried friends. We do drugs.
You did
No,
drugs?
I said no. I was a good person.
Let's see what would have happened if you had done drugs.
Okay.
So, first, you started smoking cigarettes. And now you're starting smoking.
Oh, what up, dude? Ah, I feel like I'm floating. Whoa.
Now, you started snorting.
Ah,
And now you're sure.
wait, what?
Because you're an addict. It gets worse. You don't have more money to buy more drugs. So, you break into a store.
Oh no. Kif, put the money back.
Give the doctor gun and crack your front! Up the hill!
Up the hill.
Down the hill!
Down the hill.
Jump
Jump the fence.
Jump the fence!
Jump the fence.
Jump the fence!
Jump.
Jump the fence!
You're enjoying this, aren't you? Oh, shit.
Cops float a gun. Bam!
Miss me.
Cops float a bear gun. Boom!
Miss me again. Don't you have anything bigger than that?
Bazooka! Boom!
There's a big hole in my tummy. My life is over. No big hole in my tummy?
No, you don't.
Okay. That was okay. All I gotta do it again, right? I'm gonna press the gold button.
No, just not the
Uh-oh. Oh, wait. Angel. Is this heaven? Oh, okay. Is that my mansion?
Yes, that's your mention.
Was that walking towards my mansion?
That's your mention. Don't you recognize it?
Hey, wait. Angel. You said this is what would have happened.
Yes, this is what will happen.
I don't understand. You said no to stealing.
Yes, you said no to sin.
I said no to drugs.
Yes, you said no to things.
Why? Angel. I am a good person.
If you are a great person, but just like you said
No.
no to all those other
No,
things,
no, no,
you
no,
also
no,
said no to the
No.
most important
No.
decision of your life.
It's not true.
You said it again.
No. How could I say no to him? How could I say no to Jesus? How could I say no